Hi friends, I am posting this video by explaining the topic types of operators in Python and use of arithmetic operators in Python. Before going to discuss this topic, I am requesting you to subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed. Thanks if already subscribed. Okay, let's go to the topic. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In previous sessions already we have discussed about variables and the values which we are assigning to the variables. In Python, these are the operators available: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. In this video, I am explaining about arithmetic operators and its uses. Arithmetic operators are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operations. Here, let us see what are the operators, what are the arithmetic operators and how can we perform each individual operation with that symbols. Okay. First we will take addition operation and we will take two variables to represent the addition operation. X plus y means performing addition operation. X minus y performing subtraction operation. X star y means performing multiplication operation. X single slash y means performing division operation. X percentage y, it means modulus operation, means performing division operation and displaying the remainder in the output. Exponentiation, it will be represented with double star, means x double star y, it means calculating the x power y. Floor division, it will be represented with double slash x double slash y, means performing the division operation and displaying only the integer value in the output. Let me explain these examples in Python shell. I will open command prompt. Type Python and click enter key. So here it is waiting for the command. Okay. For example, x plus y, it is for addition operation only. So I want to check the output of x plus y. Here I am assigning numerical value 3 to x and I am assigning numerical value 2 to y. Now we will type x plus y and click enter. We will get the output 5. So we will use the same values of x and y for all examples. Now type x minus y and click enter. You will get the output 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That's correct only. Now type x star y to perform multiplication operation and click enter. Here what we will get the output? 6. 3 star 2 means 3 2 is 6 only, right? Okay. Now type x slash y and click enter for division operation. It means 3 divide 2. Okay. And you will get the result 1.5. Means here we are getting the output fractional value. Now type x percentage y and click enter key to print remainder after division operation. Here you will get the output 1, means remainder 1. Now type x double star y and click enter key. Here you will get the result 9 because 3 power 2 is equal to 9. Now type x double slash y and click enter key to print integer value of division operation. you would get the result 1. Here, you need to understand the variation in representation of operators. For example, we are representation multiplication with star symbol and exponentiation with double star symbol. We are representing the division with single slash and floor division with double slash. I hope you are able to understand now the use of arithmetic operators in Python with this session. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will discuss the topic assignment operators. Thank you. Have a nice day.